Why eating raisins important for us, and how you can consume it to get maximum benefits. Raisins are a natural source of vitamins and minerals, but those benefits are increased tremendously if you consume it this way. In this video, I'll share the amazing health benefits of water-soaked raisins. This process enhances their nutritional profile, which helps your body in many different ways. To know the complete details and its recipe, keep watching this video until the end. Before starting, I request you, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel, and press the bell icon, so you'll get notification first when we'll publish a new video. Raisins are rich in iron, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and fiber. Therefore, it is considered good for health. Raisins have a high amount of natural sugar too. They are generally the dried grapes. These come in golden, green, and black colors as per the variety. It is used to garnish certain delicacies as well, especially desserts. Meanwhile, it is also added to certain health tonics as well. Let's check out the health benefits of eating water-soaked raisins. It regulates blood pressure. Excess salt consumption is known to cause high blood pressure. According to research, raisins are a rich source of potassium, antioxidants, and dietary fiber. All these nutrients help to manage the blood pressure in control. Mainly, the potassium in raisins helps to balance the salt content in our body and regulate blood pressure. It can prevent anemia. Iron is the most essential element required for the formation of red blood cells in our body. Raisins are rich in iron and they help to increase the blood supply in the body and thus prevent anemia. Next, it helps to improve digestion. As I mentioned earlier, raisins are high in fiber, and they act as natural laxatives when soaked in water. Thus, eating soaked raisins helps prevent constipation, and keeps your digestion process in check through the day. It's also good for weight loss. Raisins are full of natural sugars and are great to curb your sweet cravings without loading on extra calories. But eat them in moderation and avoid overeating them. They help in controlling your blood sugar levels and beat cravings, and all this helps in supporting your weight loss goals. It can boost your immunity. As they are rich in vitamin B and C, hence, it helps strengthen your immunity. Thus, your body becomes less susceptible to infections, and that helps to improve immunity. Next is, increases bone strength. Boron, which is essential for bone formation, is present in large quantities in raisins. Raisins are also packed with calcium, which is required for bone strength. Eating soaked raisins helps in better absorption of these nutrients and thus, improves overall bone density. At last, it prevents bad breath. The raisins having great antibacterial properties. So it helps in maintaining the oral hygiene of the mouth and get rid of breath. These are some important benefits of consuming water-soaked raisins. Now let's check out how to prepare the raisin for consumption. Take 8 to 10 raisins, then clean and wash them properly. Now add washed raisins in a glass of water and leave it overnight. Next morning, blend the soaked raisins and water. And then drink it on an empty stomach, right after you wake up. Then wait 30 minutes before eating breakfast. At last, please note that raisins contain a high amount of calories, so please consume it in limited quantity. I hope this information will helpful to you. If you like it, please hit the thumbs up button on the video to support us. You can share this information with your friends and family. Stay fit, and thanks for watching this video.